Hi guys, I am Ashok Muthuvaina from Chartereds Academy. Now I am coming with an exciting announcement for the CMA Inter students who are going to write their exams in the December 2024. So what is the exciting announcement, sir? We are launching the one crash course for the CMA Inter students. So what is the specialty of this batch, sir? This batch, sir, every subject we can complete in the 50 to 60 hours, sir. Sir, what are the things are covered in this batch, sir? Entire ICMAI study mat questions and model test paper questions and past exam questions for the last 5 items. Okay, sir. Sir, what is the mode of teaching? What is the mode of training? Sir, we can go for the live or recording, sir. Only online mode is available, sir. As of now, face to face is not available. So, what is the fees we are going to charge for this subject, this batch? Both groups for the 16,000, single group are the 10,000, per subject for the 3,000. Sir, what is the mode of language? English, sir. We completely teach in English. So, not only in Telugu students, entire South Indian students can access this batch, can listen. Sir, what is the difference between the regular batch and this batch? Sir, in the regular batch, we detailedly discuss the every point and everything. But in this batch, we can discuss the what is the requirement of the exam. We can simply discuss the exam point of view and result oriented point of view. So, what is the specialty of another special? We can give the unlimited views, sir. For this batch, we can give the unlimited views. So, we can view the questions in the n number of times. If you have any doubt in the one question, we can listen again in the n number of times. So how many hours, sir? Maximum for both groups is maximum is 450 to 500 hours, sir, for both groups. For a group one, for any single group, it's going to be the 220 to 230 hours. So simply we can complete your coaching, you can revision into 220 to 230 hours. We have a almost time of the, I think 90 days is left for your exam. So we have almost of the 12 hours and 1180 hours is left for your exam. So simply in the 500 to 400 hours is left for the coaching. Again 600 hours for left for your preparation. So in the listening of the coaching, we can complete one revision. In the preparation, we complete two revisions. So more than 3 revisions is more than enough to clear your exam. Especially for the both groups revision, this is the most useful manner, sir, who are finding any difficulty in the concepts and solving the questions. So we can solve the scanners also, Suchitra scanners also. So simply take this batch and we enjoy the course and get the good marks. All the best, guys. Please contact the below numbers if you want anyone want to these classes. Okay. Thank you very much. Sir, thank you very much.